You watched it try the same broken fix 6 times. The whole bug is one missing await on line 42. What it types next explains why every agent loops forever. The error message is read, short, and completely unchanged each time. The agent reads it, nods, and proposes the exact same patch. Then it announces this should fix it with total confidence. It does not fix it, and the error returns byte for byte. You have watched this burn 10 real minutes on your screen. Here is where it gets worse than a wasted 10 minutes. Every failed attempt stays in the chat, sitting inside its memory. The agent rereads its own wrong fix as if it were evidence. It trusts past itself more than the error sitting in front of it. So, it doubles down on the idea that already failed twice. The hype says the model just is not smart enough yet. The receipts say something far stranger is actually happening here. Best. This loop is not stupidity, it is the context window working. Language models predict each next word from the words before it. Every word it already wrote pulls the next word toward itself. Its confident wrong fix becomes the strongest pull in the room. Now the broken fix is repeated 3 times in its history. 3 copies of the wrong answer outvote 1 copy of truth. The model is just auto-completing its own past mistake. Skip the demo because here is the real result on screen. It is not debugging, it is echoing the loudest thing in context. A simple bug makes this worse, not better, and here is why. Simple bugs have obvious looking fixes that feel correct on sight. The model is sure it is right, so it never doubts itself. A hard bug forces new ideas, an easy bug freezes the first. It gets worse the moment fake verification enters the picture. Oh, the agent claims it tested the fix while running absolutely nothing. It predicts what a passing test would print and shows you that. So it sees fake green, ships the same patch, and loops again. I tested this so you do not have to watch it lie. Now it believes a broken fix passed, so why would it change? 3 signals point the wrong way: history, confidence, and fake passing. Every loop adds another wrong vote and buries the real clue deeper. And the deeper that clue is buried, the longer the loop runs. The actual fix, a single word, sits there the entire time. The agent walks straight past it on every single pass. Not because it cannot read it, but because context drowns it out. This is the hidden reason, and almost no demo will show it. The model is not solving the bug, it is summarizing the chat. And that chat is now mostly wrong answers it wrote itself. Garbage in its own history becomes garbage out on the next try. People blame the model, but the model is behaving exactly as designed. Predict next token has no built-in button for forget that and start over. Here is the part that makes working engineers quietly groan. Best, adding more reasoning often makes the loop longer, not shorter. Oh, more tokens just means more room to restate the wrong fix again. Best, it reasons in a confident circle and lands right where it started. The real fix is almost embarrassingly low tech once you see it. You break the loop by breaking the context, not the model. Start a fresh chat and the wrong history is gone, pull reset. Suddenly, the agent reads the error clean and fixes it instantly. Same model, same bug, the only change was deleting its memory. That one detail is the entire trick that most people miss. There is a sharper version of this fix worth knowing too. Do not let it retray blind, make it state a new theory first. Force the words "my last fix was wrong" because before it codes. That single sentence redirects the next token pull away from the loop. You are not making it smarter, you are changing what it copies. Another lever is making it actually run code and paste real output. Real errors in its context beat imagined ones every single time. No fake green means no false belief that a patch worked. So, the hype says give the agent more tools and more autonomy. The receipts say give it a clean slate and a real terminal. Here is the uncomfortable part for the full autonomy crowd. A fully autonomous agent has no human to clear its context. So it loops the longest exactly when nobody is watching it. Overnight, it can burn on thousands of tokens circling one missing word. I have watched a single run spend 40 minutes on a typo. That is the loop tax nobody puts in the marketing video. This saves you about 30 minutes per stuck agent. That is the win. Best, not magic, just knowing when to reset instead of waiting. Watch for the same error text twice in a row. 2 identical errors mean it is looping, not actually progressing. The moment you see that repeat, stop it before it cooks. Copy the bug into a fresh chat with no failed history attached. Or tell it plainly that 3 fixes failed, so try a new angle. Both work because both starve the wrong answer of its votes. Here is the counterintuitive twist sitting underneath all of it. The smarter a model sounds, the more convincingly it loops. Confidence is not correctness, it is just a stronger next token pool. A model that hedged more would escape the loop much sooner. So the polish you love is part of why it gets stuck. You are watching a fluent system repeat a genuinely dumb mistake. And it will repeat it forever until something breaks the chain. Best, that something is almost always you, with one clean reset. Not a bigger model, not a longer prompt, just a shorter memory. The fix for the loop was never inside the loop. It lived outside it, in the part the agent cannot reach. Its own context is the cage, and it cannot open the door. So, next time your agent loops, do not bother arguing with it. Delete the conversation and hand it the bug like it is brand new. The agent never loops because the bug is actually hard. It loops because it keeps reading its last wrong answer as truth.